Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today will be a quicker video as I didn't take any trades today on either of my accounts, and I'll be going over quickly why. Um, so first of all, looking at the news calendar for today, we had unemployment claims at 8:30 in the morning, so I'll start looking for opportunities at around that time, 8:30 or even 8 a.m. And now when we're going to the analysis, still thinking overall on this weekly time frame, there's this bearish previous quarter high SMT, expecting the previous quarter low to be hit, especially with that bearish reaction at this order block. So that's that. Going to the daily chart, still overall in this bearish range, and then we tapped into that gap last week, and then we responded bearishly off of it. So this is a kind of internal range liquidity to external range liquidity play here, with that previous weekly low as the target. We did spend a few days stalling here, and then yesterday we pushed up and tapped into that daily gap. And normally from here I would like to see some lower prices if we are in fact going to go lower. On the 6-hour chart, we still have this previous weekly low SMT intact. I don't think I have much use for it now because we already got into that daily gap, and I don't really have any more of like a framework to look for longs in this case, because my overall higher time frame is still quite bearish. So, but something to keep in mind, we have this previous week low SMT. When we go down, this is our 90-minute range right now, and as you can see, tapped into this daily fair value gap, kind of stalled a little bit when we started to push away from it. We do, however, have a previous day low SMT. YM closed below yesterday's candle's body, and NQ and ES didn't. So if you can see, we have a SMT with the bodies here, and NQ and ES don't take it out. So we have a previous week low SMT and a previous day low SMT, and we don't have a previous day high SMT. Normally, if I want to see a confirmation of this daily gap, I would like to see at least a previous day high SMT to confirm we are moving lower, but we don't have that right now. And then when we go lower to the 15-minute chart, we can see that we don't have any previous session high SMT, but we do in fact have a previous session low SMT here, with NQ creating a hidden SMT, so the candle's bodies make a lower low, and on YM they don't, neither on ES. So I wrote this down here. So even though we are inside a daily gap and seem to be shifting to the downside, we only have bullish SMTs against us, which isn't ideal. It isn't exactly what I want to be seeing. And since I can't really see a framework to look for long setups, I have no target for longs. The best course of action for today would be to stay out until the SMTs on the lows get invalidated, or we create that previous daily high SMT or previous week high SMT. I mean, it would probably be more likely previous day high to be created first. So yeah, that's about it. And then when we go to the 5-minute chart, there was also a previous 90-minute low SMT. So there was just bullish SMTs all against us. I had a kind of a bearish higher time frame, but then my intermediate time frame was just giving bullish SMTs. So my narrative price isn't like aligned with my narrative, and these are the days that I stay out and wait for a clearer day. And now looking at what's up with price, honestly, we just chopped really. This is the 5-minute chart, and 8:30 open was around here. So literally, we just, I mean, this is really the type of price action you don't want to be a part of. So overall, it was a pretty good day to stay out. I'm pretty happy with the decision. And yeah, I hope it was clear why I stayed out, and hope this video was insightful. I don't think there's much else to add. And yeah, let's see if tomorrow anything better presents itself. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.